When flexing goes wrong, this YouTuber's videos got him 5 years in prison.
On May 16th, 2019.
I'm not watching that shit. No, nobody. We all know what happened to fucking Omi and Hellcat, bro.
Propuso matrimonio y dijo que no.
What's good, Dalen? Who up in the chat, man? Who up in the chat? Old man proposes to his girlfriend while getting her a car, and this was her reaction.
Propuso matrimonio y dijo que no.
Yeah, she thick. She backed up.
¡Acéptale! ¡Que la acepte! Por lo menos para que te quedes con el carro.
She thick. If she backed up, nigga, you just the sugar daddy. I'll take the car, though. She said, I'll take the car, though. But marriage, I don't know. It might be too soon for that. Of course she'll take the fucking car. No way he just did that. Dude whips out his ding dong and pisses on another man. What the?
You son of a bitch. Any goddamn film, man. You son of a bitch.
What? Man, what? Oh shit. Woman shows how she used AI to trick her boyfriend into thinking she got another man in their house.
Why didn't you answer your phone? Well, where you never used? You must have been super busy today at work today because baby, I called you. I needed you. I had to get some strange man to do this and that for me because I didn't know what to do. Next time he's answering that phone, baby, with quickness. I don't know, I didn't know how to do my tires because it was the air was like low on my tires. I didn't know how to do it, so I was trying to call you to ask you what to do while I was there, but you didn't answer. So this other man came and did it for me.
What? Chick almost fried her pet bird while demonstrating how to cook an egg.
It's my biggest ick. When you use the egg in the carton, don't put it back in the carton. Take it out and throw it away. Like, why? Bro, are you gonna...
She has a bird chilling.
Make something out of freaking egg? Stop calling me. Anyways. Okay.
The bird is dead ass just chilling on her
I'm
egg.
like, bro, I'm gonna have to cook.
But it's about to go wrong.
Some of this. I'm gonna cook pizza in pieces because it's steaming. I'm gonna spray some more because just to be safe. Don't do that. Don't do what I did. Don't spray all that. Do not. Anyways, you crack your egg. If this turn.
What if the bird shit on your head?
If this turned out bad, I'm gonna.
Oh, I started crying. The man said, if this go bad, and the shit went bad.
If this turned out bad, I'm gonna.
She fucking clapped and the bitch and the shit jumped in her. Don't clap, you scared it. Soon as she clapped, it got scared. Know me. Damn, it started crying, bro. Fuck. That ain't even funny. Damn, that ain't even funny, bro. Damn. And that pot just steaming like a bitch. That's tough.
Well, I don't give a damn what kind of car y'all done seen in the world, but y'all ain't never.
Dude turned his Pontiac into an Audi. You ain't never seen an Audiac.
Well, I don't give a damn what kind of car y'all done seen in the world, but y'all ain't never seen no.
Bro, if you still whipping a Pontiac, bro, I don't know how them bitches made it this far. The bitches still ain't broke down yet.
Audiac. Straight up, boy. Boy got an Audiac. Yeah, third. Dang.
Nigga said an Audiac.
Hey!
care about that.
What's the age?
That's wild. That's wild.
A story that's gone viral this week. We're hearing from the co-captain of the Harriet II riverboat.
And I never feel this way before. I swear. Time of my life. I'm saying all that shit wrong as hell. It wasn't rape. They both enjoyed it. Chick getting interviewed confesses to sexually assaulting two guys.
What's your craziest sex confession?
So one time, my best friend and I, we were talking to a guy and his roommate, and we were really bored. And while they were sleeping, we tied them both up, laid them on their stomach, and we both ate their ass.
Nah, that's actual rape. That's rape. That's rape. That's actually rape. It's different if you would have said suck their dick or something. But you tied them down and ate their ass. And they straight, man. I mean, wait, they was both sleeping in the same bed, wasn't they? But still, they straight men, right? Nah, bro. That's even if you did suck their dick. That's still the same shit. That's wild. That's wild.
And while they were sleeping, we tied them both up, laid them on their stomach, and we both ate their ass.
Isn't that a rape?
It wasn't rape because they both enjoyed it.
What if the roast was reversed then?
That would be fucked up, I guess. Alright.
You know that would be fucked
I'm
up.
gonna drop the mic on this.
You know, if
See, that's what's wrong with females. Females have a problem, and it's a female thing. Not all females are the same, of course. But females, there's things that females do, and they don't understand it. And whenever you point it out to them and you break it down to them, they just can't believe it and really grasp and really, like, they just can't believe it. You know what I'm saying? Like, they can't believe it and they don't want to accept it. You know what I'm saying? Me, it's things that females do, bruh. Not all females, but most females do certain shit. You know what I'm saying?